Hi again! In this video naman, ang gagawin natin is yun na, yung paano kumita dito sa Neobox. So after your registration, gagawin is mag-login. Okay, then put your username, yung nilagay yung username nung nag-register kayo. Password. Then, verification code. Tama. And then, submit. So, unang gagawin is view advertisement. So, click natin, view advertisements. And then, ito yung mga advertisements na kailangan yung i-view. So, para ano? Yun, dito tayo kikita. So, let's start. Let's click one of the ads. And then, click the red button. And it will open again in a new tab. Every time na mag-view ka ng ad, pagka-click nyo ng advertisement, it will open in a new tab. And then, kailangan yung i-wait na mag-load yung page at lalabas itong timer na ito. Kailangan nyo lang itong hintayin na matapos. It's mga 30 seconds. So, wait lang natin. Hintay-hintay. And then, ayun. Pagtapos na yung timer, may lalabas na sinasabing advertisement validated. You were credited in your account. So pag lumabas na yan, ang gagawin na lang is close na natin. Close tab na. Tapos yung ibang ibang ads, ibang advertisements naman ang i-click. Click ulit ng isang ad, click the red button, it will open in a new tab. Wait for the advertisement to load. Tapos lalabas ulit yung timer. Same process ulit. Yun, lumabas na yung timer. Wait lang ulit natin. And then yun, advertisement validated ulit. So close ulit natin yung tab to view the remaining advertisements. So pause ko na lang muna at click ko lang muna itong mga ads, okay? Okay, so ito na yung last na advertisement na i-click ko. Hintayin lang yung timer. Hintayin na lumabas yung validation message. Then boom, yun na, lumabas. I want you to take notice on this one. May mga ilang advertisements na kapag i-close mo yung tab, may mga pop-out na lumalabas. So try natin. Let's close this ad. Boom. Yan, may mga lalabas na ganito. Pop out. So, all you have to do here is okay. And then, okay. And then yun. Nag-close na. So, pag standard member ka in Neobox, you will only have 4 advertisements to click every day. Yan. After 24 hours, magre-refresh ulit yung advertisements and pwede mo na ulit i-click. So, click lang ng click every day. So, after mong maklik lahat yung mga advertisements, just go to your username on the top right page and then click it to see your account. So, this is now your account page. Dito mo makikita lahat. See? Explore nyo na lang kung ano yung andito. Tapos, ang magandang gawin, pag after nyo nang alam na yung mga pinaggagawa dito, kung ano yung mga gagawin dito, kung ano yung mga andito, try to check the forum. Okay? Forum. So, let's see the forum. And then, in the forum, you will see success stories, different payment proofs from all members worldwide. So, check the payment proofs. Check natin. So, here, you will see the threads and or payment proofs posted by members who received their payments. It says here, my first payment, my second payment. Check this one. $838 PayPal payment received. So malaki yun, ha? And then heto pa, $2,000 single payment. See that? Malaki, di ba? So Neobucks has really have its potential. Explore nyo lang, tingnan nyo para yung mga payment proofs. Tingnan nyo kung talagang joke lang ba to o hindi. But this is for real. Totoo ito. Let's check the other section of the forum. So we will do here is to go to the Filipino forum. Ito. Pag may question kayo about Neobucks, try to check the Filipino forum. Marami naman sila dito eh. Marami kami. Andito rin ako nakikipagkulitan. Kung you have questions about Neobucks, you can try asking here in the Filipino forum. Mabait sila dito, okay? So, yun. Let's conclude this video and let's proceed to the other lessons. Thank you for watching.